Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day one and part one of my 10-day vacay. I'm just taking ibuprofen right now. So today it's currently 5:17 and we're getting picked up at 5:30. We're going to drive 7 hours in the car, catch a 7-hour train, get to our hotel around 10 p.m., go to sleep, and wake up at like 6 a.m. tomorrow. So follow me along for this fun vacation. Got all that stuff packed. Hey everyone, update. We're now on the train and they bought us some snacks.
Haul. We have two good protein-packed classic chicky. Instant tea premix cardamom chai. So what did she do? Some lightly salted nuts. My favorite.
You dirty girl.
Juice box. Dirty. You dirty mom.
You said nuts are
Indians in the comment section, how do you say this?
Chuida.
Chuida.
There's so much room in this train. It's very nice. Anyways, so it's like currently 10 out of 10 this year. It's 3:45. We're gonna get there at like 7.
And get there at like 10:30.
10:30.
7 hours. I'm gonna try this.
Getting off the train, everyone. I mentioned it's 10 p.m. and we're still traveling. Anyways,
And just so you know, I love Lizzie.
I'm cutting that out. Good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to day 2. We're in the state of Rajasthan officially and in the city of Jaipur. And we're riding elephants today. Anyways, follow me along.
Go to this fort.
Whoa. Just wandering the street.
Where are we?
Oh, the elephants. We're on the elephant right now. Hey. Our elephant's name is Boom Boom. This is the glass of this palace, and it's where like whenever there's lights at night, they'll like reflect off of this and light up the whole area with like whatever color the lights were. That's like way cool. Okay, we've been exploring this fort for a while, and there's so much room and so many things to see. Now we're walking upstairs. You'll see this thing upstairs.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
And he was coming down and he goes,
Old Jaipur and Tiger Mall. Old Jungle City.
This looks so cool. Got done touring the fort and now we're at a temple. Anyways, we got these elephant pictures, and then whenever we were done touring the fort, this other guy took more pictures of us and printed them out, and they were low-key way better, but we already bought these, so we're just sticking with these. But they would not give up. But anyways, it's a cool vibe, right?
Camera.
Some fans.
You
Not
can
the
ask
camera.
Rinku for it. He can explain it better.
Where is he?
Coming from the ground level, okay, ground level, and it is total 26 meter deep from top to bottom. Right now you can see around
Rajasthan small-scale cottage industries. So in there they showed us like how they made fabric and
It was
painted
awesome.
stuff and rocks. It was like
And
really cool.
expensive.
Expensive, and then it just lasted too long. But like the little things on the outside where they showed us how they actually made stuff, that was fun. Hey vlog, I forgot my camera, but we just went shopping in this market, which is absolutely insane. So many funny things happening. Low-key getting harassed, but we'll tell you, but you just had to be there. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day 3 of this 10-day vacation. Feasting this morning. Plans are to drive another 7 hours and then, I don't know, look at some temples. Follow me along for the day. Vlog, it's 5:30 p.m. and we left at 8 a.m. And Harshal said it was going to be a 7-hour drive, including meals, but the math wasn't mathing. So now we're rushing to go to the temple. We just freshened up. And then we're going to go eat dinner. And that's all for day 3, basically. The elevator is so fancy. Beep. Anyways.
We're out. She said if I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna take you down.
Oh, Amanda, go stand in front of those wings. Oh, look, he's doing it for you. Oh! We're trying to have. Oh, there, new angel, new angel. Oh!
Kill yourself.
Whoa. We're going through photo gallery. Oh! Oh, wow! Very nice, very nice. Love art.
Wait, let's get this one.
Oh, she got stabbed! No, you're supposed to be a warrior. You're not supposed to get stabbed. You're supposed to stop him from stabbing. Wow, you are so strong, Presley. Wow, squish that butter. I beat my boyfriend. Our kid Kung Fu Panda turns PG-13 really fast. Let's go, so we're going. Ooh, what is this? Carnival games? Here's our ride. New whip. Here it is.
Transportation yesterday was an elephant. Today it's a gondola.
On Thursday,
Camel.
I'm sorry? You are on India trip or specifically Udaipur?
All around. Going all around.
Oh,
there's a peacock.
it's huge.
Its tail feathers literally are like. This is cool. Wow, check out this view. I love how it has the beige housing here, not the colorful. There's so many fruit vendors I just walked past, and all the fruit looks so good. And I just smell it. It's so good. In the temple. This is what we came here for. On your trip? Good. Girls being girls, we just got so many good sunsets.
But like maybe you could do some editing. I don't know.
I know how to work the lighting. Waiting for our gondola ride back. And then we're gonna grub.
My tummy hurts from the Domino's pizza though. So
And then we're gonna our restaurant dinner for the night. It's lakeside. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice. How was your dinner?
yummy.
It was very good. 10 out of 10. So if you're in India in this area, how do you? It's lakeside. It's so good. I forgot what I was gonna say, but tomorrow's pretty chill. So yeah.